Hello YouTube, this is IX64 here, and today I'm going to be showing you a review of Ubuntu 11.10. Let's get started. Over here we have Dash Home. Dash Home is basically a place where you can find your applications, files and folders, and music. So if I wanted to, I could type in Fire, and it would come up with Firefox web browser. Whereas I can just click it and it opens it up pretty quickly. Over here we have the Home folder. Home folder is basically where all your files and folders are. It looks exactly like Windows except for one small little difference. Ubuntu 1. I'll be telling you about this later. Over here we have Firefox web browser. Firefox is indeed the default browser for Linux, which is pretty cool because I don't know about any other OS that does use Firefox as their default web browser. Over here we have LibreOffice Writer. LibreOffice Writer is basically Linux's version of Microsoft Word, and it's pretty cool. I think this will be helpful for school and other cool things. Well, school not that cool, but you know. Over here we have Office Calc. This is basically Microsoft PowerPoint. I think that's what it is, and it would be useful for business and all that cool stuff. If your business is cool, that is. Over here we have LibreOffice Impress. LibreOffice Impress is for, I guess it's for presentations. If you see right here, it says empty presentation, open existing presentation. So I guess it's for presentation and things like that. So yeah, I guess this will also be useful for business. And since it comes installs into the Linux software or Linux OS, there's really no need to have to go to the store and buy Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, or Excel, or whatever the heck you want to buy from Microsoft. And since it's pretty expensive, and you get all of these three for free, I think I would go with Linux. Here we have Ubuntu Software Center. So I saved you time from having to open it. It does take a pretty long time to open, but it's definitely faster than the last version of Ubuntu, aka 11.04. Okay, so right when you open it up, down here, if you look down here, you'll see three little bubbles. The first one is what's new, the second one is top rated, and then you have the categories. In what's new, you'll find the newest apps that were just added to the marketplace. Right now the newest ones are Skype and all these other cool things. On top rated, you'll find the best rated applications on the marketplace, or games. I do currently have a lot of these. But if it's on the top rated page, you know it's going to be good. Once you click on an application and scroll down, you'll be able to find people's reviews, and if you click here, you'll be able to see the image. Right here you have the add-ons. You can choose to add them if you want to. Not all applications have add-ons. Over here we have the categories. We have accessories, developer tools, education, fonts, games, graphics, internet, office, science and engineering, sound and video, system, themes and tweaks, universal access. So you can click on any of these and it will basically separate them. Over here we have installed. Installed is for all applications you've installed in the marketplace. And they're also switched into unique categories. We have accessories, developer tools, games, graphics, internet, office, sound and video, themes and tweaks, universal access, and uncategorized. Basically everything we just saw before, except for uncategorized. Over here we have history. In history, you can see all the things that you've downloaded, installed, and removed, or also updated. So basically, if you were to accidentally remove one of your favorite applications, you can simply go over to removals, click on it, and you'll just download it again. No biggie. Over here we have Ubuntu 1. Like I said, we are going to be talking about this. Ubuntu 1 is basically cloud storage for Ubuntu. And it works pretty good in my opinion. You can store up to 5 gigabytes, which is a huge difference from Xbox 360's 512 gigabytes. Then again, it's only used for saving data on a game. So you have account, cloud folders, devices, services, and that's all. You will have to sync some things into it, but once you're done with that, you can put whatever the hell you want inside your Ubuntu 1 folder, which we did see in the home folder. Next up we have system settings. System settings is basically just a control panel. we have 3 categories: personal, hardware, and system. In personal, we have appearance, keyboard layout, language support, online accounts, screen, and Ubuntu One. In hardware, we have additional drivers: Bluetooth, color, displays, keyboard, mouse and touchpad, network power, printing, removable data, sound, Wacom graphics tablet. And in system, we have backup software sources, system info, time and data, universal access, and user accounts. That's all that there is in system settings. Over here we have the workspace switcher. So if I were to open up two applications like system settings and Firefox, I could open both of them up like this. And when I wanted to, I could go like this and maybe drag one into here. So what I'm trying to say is you can have Firefox opened over here and system settings opened over there. It's pretty clean and it's pretty cool. It allows you to stay neat and clean, which is what I love to have. Switching back to the normal one. I'm going to show you terminal now. Terminal is basically a software that allows you to send in a chain of commands. Usually start with sudo. After that, you can put in the command. I can put in apt install and then my favorite browser. That's not a real application, so don't try that. Next up, update manager. With Update Manager, you can update things on your Ubuntu OS. For example, if I need to update my Banshee media player, open up my trusty old Update Manager and click Install Updates, if there are any new ones, of course. So far, there's not. I last updated about 1 hour ago. Let's close that. That's pretty much it there is to this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. iHacker64, signing out.